In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Back in Stock for Shopify, which is a handy tool that helps you manage customer notifications when a sold-out item becomes available again. Installing this app is a quick and straightforward process, and we'll walk you through each step to ensure you're up and running in no time. First, you'll want to open your browser and go to Shopify. Once there, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin panel using your credentials. This is your main dashboard, where you can manage all aspects of your online store, from inventory to marketing and beyond. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar for the section labeled Apps. Click on it, and you'll see an option to add new apps. Clicking the plus Add button will take you to the Shopify App Store, where thousands of apps are available to enhance your store's functionality. Now, in the search bar at the top, type in Back in Stock. This app allows you to notify customers when an out-of-stock product is available again, improving your customer engagement and potentially boosting sales. Once you find the Back in Stock app in the search results, simply click Install. Shopify might ask you to confirm your choice, and you can just follow the prompts to complete the installation process. This usually involves a few simple clicks and takes just a couple of minutes. After the installation is complete, head back to your Shopify admin panel. You should see Back in Stock listed under your Apps section. Clicking on it will allow you to open the app and access its configuration settings. Now it's time for the fun part, making the app work for your specific needs. The first thing you might want to customize is the notification templates. This is what your customers will see when they receive an email about a product being back in stock. It's a good idea to keep your store's branding and tone in mind here. You'll also want to decide which products you want to track for restocking notifications. If you have certain high-demand items, make sure those are included. This way, customers who are keenly interested in specific products won't be left out when the items are back on your shelves. Lastly, you'll be able to customize the appearance of the Notify Me button that appears next to out-of-stock items on your product pages. This customization ensures that the notification function is seamless with the rest of your site's design, making for a smooth user experience. And there you have it. You're all set with the Back in Stock app, ready to keep your customers informed and engaged. Thank you for following along, and happy selling on Shopify.